Rales JFS is more than just an agency. We're a community and we're a family that cares for each other, a family that provides for the well-being of its children, its seniors, and everyone in between, regardless of race or religion. From counseling and therapeutic services to financial assistance, nutritional support, and more, Rales JFS is here for the entire community because that's what family's for. Last year, we provided nearly 10,000 sessions of counseling, psychiatry, and psychological testing, empowering our neighbors to overcome challenges and rediscover their strength. We strengthen families and nurture children through education on domestic abuse, crisis support, and specialized care. Last year, we held 8,000 therapy sessions at the Cooperman Center for 250 children, provided nearly $78,000 in financial assistance to 530 individuals, and connected with almost 6,000 participants through community outreach, all to build a future of hope and belonging for the next generation. We distributed over 200,000 pounds of food to 800 families and provided almost $300,000 in emergency financial assistance to local households. From delivering close to 48,000 meals through Meals on Wheels, to awarding over $200,000 in camp scholarships for children, we ensure no one faces hardship alone. For our seniors, we have ensured dignity and care, providing over $11 million in assistance to Holocaust survivors and 6,000 rides to help them stay independent and connected. At the Weissman Center, members rediscover joy, purpose, and the warmth of community through over 650 programs. Our 880 dedicated volunteers donated over 20,000 hours of service, transforming lives through kindness and compassion. But it's not just the clients whose lives were transformed. Our volunteers discovered the profound joy and fulfillment that comes from making a difference. Meet Chris and Jacob. They frequent the Weissman Center, use senior services such as Kibitz and Ride, as well as receive Holocaust survivors assistance since Jacob is a survivor. With the services they have received, they can age in place with independence and dignity.
Kibitz and Ride is a service provided by JFS, manned by volunteers who give you a ride to medical appointments. The comfort that it gives us, they do it out of the goodness of their heart.
This is Lucy, a single mother to 3 children with disabilities. With help from Rales JFS, she has access to nutritious food through the Jacobson Family Food Pantry, receives scholarships that enable her children to attend summer camp, and also support for her and her children through disability and inclusion services.
My all 3 kids, they do have a disability. To get the resources, to get the help is hard. With the JFS, became easy.
Helen, recently widowed, turned to Rales JFS for support with the encouragement from her family. Through compassionate counseling, she was able to navigate her grief and find strength.
I've come into the point where I didn't need counseling before, but then when I needed it, I was so glad I had it.
Meet Carol. When faced with health challenges, Carol sought connection through Rales JFS support groups. She found a sense of community and the reassurance that she wasn't alone.
I tried things I never thought I could do.
I wouldn't have been able to get as far as I've got.
I will not be able to be involved in mom with my kids.
Really imposed a great difficulty on us to not have the service.